Documents released by the UK government show that British spy agencies have intercepted privileged communications between lawyers and their clients. The official documents were released following a hearing by the Investigatory Powers Tribunal, or the IPT, into complaints made against the GCHQ, MI5 and MI6. Following revelations made by Edward Snowden, British lawyers are concerned that excessive use of surveillance in the United Kingdom is undermining the confidentiality they had with their clients, especially when those involved were engaging in legal battles with the state.
Edward Snowden says that GCHQ has been listening in on things on an industrial scale, including exactly this. So I suspect it's on a host of other issues. And what's come out is that I would have a suspicion that it's not just on sort of so-called terrorism charges, but it's all sorts of other things. I mean, we know from the Snowden revelations and things that have come out that the British Secret Service keeps a very close eye and ear on economic matters.
The IPT ruled in favour of two Libyan dissidents, Abdul Hakim Belhaj and Sami Saadi, who were abducted in Southeast Asia in 2004. They were then sent by British and US intelligence agencies to Libya, where they were tortured under the rule of former dictator Muammar Gaddafi. The two men filed a suit in October, claiming that the British government had intercepted the communications they had with their lawyers, therefore preventing a fair trial.
Because the British legal system is based, not on law, but on process, confidentiality between a lawyer and his client, the accused. And therefore, if that is breached, it brings into question. And really, I think both MI5, MI6 and GCHQ and the British government must be now very nervous. They're going to be facing a series of prosecutions, not just by these two Libyans who were rendered, we should remember, by MI6 and the CIA, back to Colonel Gaddafi's Libya.
A full hearing of the case is expected in January. Mohammed Walji, Press TV, London.